Can suppliers and manufacturers of dangerous gas be successfully sued for a failure to warn of its danger? In this case, a honey plant was damaged when vapors from heptane gas used in beeswax rendering was ignited by an electrical switch in the plant. This was the second explosion that had occurred in the plant from a similar cause. The insurance company paid for the damage and then sued, seeking subrogation from the gas supplier and manufacturer, claiming that they failed to adequately warn of heptane's danger. The insurance company argued that even though the plant met electrical code standards, the gas still exploded and was obviously unsafe, as the vapors must not have been ventilated properly. An adequate warning would have warned of the danger, and having paid the plant owner on the loss, the insurance company argued it should be reimbursed by the supplier and manufacturer of the exploding gas. The trial judge found that, assuming every fact in a light most favorable to the insurance company, it still had not made its case and issued summary judgment tossing out the case. How would you decide this case? Can suppliers and manufacturers of dangerous gas be successfully sued for a failure to warn of its danger? We'll be back in a moment to answer that question. Can suppliers and manufacturers of dangerous gas be sued for a failure to warn of its danger? No, said the South Dakota Supreme Court. In this case, the supplier of the gas had provided the buyer with a material safety data sheet with each delivery of heptane. The sheet described the volatile nature of the heptane and its potential hazards. Warnings advised that the gas may travel considerable distance to a source of ignition and then flash back. The fact that an accident occurred was not enough to sustain the burden of proof for a case. No evidence was offered to show the warnings were inadequate or that the supplier manufacturer did anything wrong. The mere possibility of a cause of an explosion was nothing more than the fact of an accident, speculation, and conjecture. Remember, it's a matter of law.